One of the things I've noticed with working with some of my clients is that they focus a lot on individual salespeople, development, and so forth, skill sets. But what they don't always focus on is their overall sales structure. And I think that has a lot to do with the success or lack of success with some companies. For example, imagine if you had a very strong closer, that hunter-killer that could close an account, could break down doors, but they had such a load of accounts that they were servicing that they couldn't spend but 10 or 15% of their time prospecting for new business. Over a period of time, that would absolutely hurt the company's potential for growth. So I think it's very important to align the skill sets with salespeople and understand that salespeople can have different skill sets. Some are very good at nurturing and developing existing business and growing business organically. Some are very good at prospecting, cold calling, and knocking down doors and closing business. It's important to make sure that your structure is aligned so that your team is as efficient and effective as possible. One of the other things that I see that I think is a cause for concern is when companies' structure, or their sales structure rather, kind of morphs over a period of time based off the skill set of the people. You should always align your people with your structure, not the other way around. You should decide what your structure is going to be and then fill it accordingly. At the end of the day, what's important is that we get the right skill set, the right salespeople, but also in the right seats.